thinking of my feet, walking on the heat down Avalon Street. The concrete's crunching underneath. My truck's a tweet and